Hi everyone, I'm here today to tell you a little bit about this LED Photon mask that I just got. It's made by a company called Angel Kiss, and it's got 7 different LED colors that you can use for skin revitalization. So you turn it on here with the power switch, and you see a little green power light come on. And then when you want to turn on the LEDs, you click the on and off switch. It starts off with the red LED light, and this is set at 650 nanometers. Now, red LED light is supposed to be really good for anti-aging, and it actually penetrates the skin up to 8 to 10 millimeters. So it's going to stimulate collagen production and things like that, so it's really good for wrinkles and those sorts of things. This mask also features blue light, green light, purple light, cyan, yellow, and white. I actually bought it for the blue light feature. So if you click on the color button here, you can change the color. There's green and blue. Blue light is actually supposed to be really good for acne, and I have some mild adult acne that I would like to see if this will be helpful for. And you can put the mask on, you just use the headband here. I was actually able to watch television and use the mask at the same time. You can set the energy level. So if you click the energy button, you can see the light intensity actually increases. And then you can set the time higher or lower. Right now it's set to 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, the mask will just shut off automatically. So I'm going to give this a try over the course of the next month, and I'll post some pictures as I go along so that you can see what the progress is. But if you're interested in more information, you can check out this at the link in the video, and you can take a look at it on Amazon. Thanks, and have a great day.